Welcome to the world of financial education. If you're just starting out, it can seem intimidating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. These 10 simple tips will guide you towards financial security and independence. Welcome to AJ's Info, the place where you build career and reach new heights of success. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to join the wealth building community. Let's achieve success together. Let's get started. Tip number 1, create a budget and stick to it. Successful people tend to be disciplined when it comes to their finances. They adhere to their budgets, which helps them manage their money wisely and avoid overspending. It might seem like a chore, but it's the cornerstone of good financial habits. It helps you understand where your money is going and allows you to make informed decisions about your spending. At the end of the budget period, for example, monthly, compare your actual expenses to what you budgeted. If you overspent in certain categories, adjust your budget for the next period. This process of reviewing and adjusting is ongoing and helps you improve your budget over time. Tip number 2, build a habit of saving. Saving money provides a safety net for unexpected expenses, emergencies, or financial hardships. Always aim to save a portion of your income. It could be as little as 10% of your monthly income. This isn't just for rainy days, but also for future investments, retirement, and those dream vacations. Tip number 3, invest your money. Don't just save money, invest it. Investing is a crucial part of building wealth and achieving your long-term financial goals. Don't fear from investing. It might seem complex, but it's not. Start small, maybe with a low-risk mutual fund or a retirement account. As your confidence grows, explore other investment opportunities. Investing gives you a powerful weapon as compound interest. But what it is, how it works, let's understand it by example. Suppose you invest $10,000 in a mutual fund with an annual interest rate of 5%, compounded annually. After 1 year, you earn $500 in interest, 5% of $10,000. Your new total is $10,500, which becomes the principal for the next year. In the second year, you earn 5% on $10,500, which is $525. After 2 years, you have $11,025, and this process continues. Over time, your money grows significantly beyond what you originally invested. So take benefit of compound interest by investing your money. Tip number 4, debt management. Debt management is the process of effectively handling and controlling your debts to improve your financial well-being and work toward becoming debt-free. Don't let debt pile up. Pay off credit card bills on time and avoid unnecessary loans. High-interest debt can cripple your finances, so it's crucial to stay on top of it. Tip number 5, understand your credit score. A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, which is used by lenders, creditors, landlords, and others to assess your ability to manage debt and make on-time payments. Understanding your credit score is important. A good credit score can open doors to better loans and credit cards. So always pay your bills on time and avoid maxing out your credit cards. Tip number 6, insurance. Insurance is a financial product that provides protection and coverage against various risks and uncertainties. Don't ignore insurance. It's easy to think you don't need it when you're young and healthy, but life can be unpredictable. A good insurance policy can save you from financial ruin in case of unexpected events. Tip number 7, have emergency fund. An emergency fund is a critical financial resource that provides a safety net and financial security in times of unexpected expenses, crises, or emergencies. This should be enough to cover at least 6 months of living expenses. You never know when you might lose your job or face a medical emergency. It's always better to be prepared. Tip number 8, set clear financial goals. Financial goals are essential for guiding your financial decisions and providing a sense of purpose and direction to your financial life. Goals can be buying a house, a car, or saving for retirement. Having clear, achievable goals can motivate you to stay disciplined about your finances. Achieving these financial goals can lead to a sense of fulfillment and accomplishment, allowing you to live the life you envision. Tip number 9, get financial education. Financial education helps you to understand concepts such as budgeting, investing, saving, and managing debt, which can lead to more favorable financial outcomes. Educate yourself about finances, read books, articles, watch videos. Subscribe to us for more financial knowledge. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. There's a wealth of information out there. Make use of it. Tip number 10, live below your means. Living below your means is a financial principle and strategy that involves spending less money than you earn. Living below your means reduces financial stress. You won't be constantly worried about making ends meet or struggling to pay bills, which can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. Living below your means doesn't mean living a life of extreme frugality or deprivation. It's about making conscious choices to align your spending with your financial goals and income, which ultimately leads to greater financial stability and a more secure financial future. So there you have it, the 10 financial tips you need to start your journey towards financial independence and security. It might seem daunting at first, but with consistency and discipline, you'll soon see the benefits. Share the video with your loved ones. Good luck on your journey. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Take care.